Hi everybody, it's me Berenice again. Welcome back to LEGO Club. I hope you're all doing well. This week we're going to play another game. We're going to play something similar to bowling. What you're going to need this week is you're going to obviously need your Legos, and you're going to need a ball, a marble, or just something you can roll. And the point of the game is going to be to try to knock down as many of your pins as possible. And I'll show you what the pins look like now. So for your pins, you're going to want to create little pillars like this. Super simple. I just stacked a bunch of 2x1s and I stacked 10 of them. You can make it as tall or as short as you want. And that's about it. And now I'll show you how to create the setup for your board once your pillars are done. Oh, and sorry, I forgot to mention, you will be needing 10 pillars. So you're going to need 10 of these. And I'll show you what that setup is going to look like now. And there you have it. That was our bowling game. It was super fun, super fast, and hopefully you had a great time doing it. As you saw, you can get a little additional help to knock down your pieces if you need, but just do your best, and hopefully you share with us all your wonderful creations on Facebook and Instagram. Like always, we love seeing them, and don't forget, every time you post, you get more points, and you can get some cool prizes. Hope to see you next time. Bye!